Alright, this is a Coleman AT 2-stage 10 HSPF unit with a hood scoop on top. We had to redirect airflow from this deck here. It's working real well. I just want to give you an idea. I've got a ductless running down here. This house is 3 stories. We zoned the basement with the ductless and then took care of the top 2 floors with the ducted system. But just giving you an idea of noise volume. This is a 3-ton. Unit's purring, it's real happy. There isn't a whole lot of difference between low and high stage. The unit shifts with the scroll pretty quietly. You can hear that air coming off the top of there, so that's working really well. Let's head over here. And then we have the ductless. This is a K-series Daikin. This is their 8.5 HSPF model. Definitely quieter, and this is what you can expect from most ductless, but that Coleman was really quiet, which is awesome. It just presents such a great value. It's got, you know, lifetime compressor warranty, 10-year parts and labor, etc. So, but just give you an idea here. We're running a 15K indoor head. Here's our speedy channel going up in here. So that's the Coleman AT and the Daikin K-series.